Alright, alhamdulillah, we are meeting again. So from where we stopped, we passed this argument in now. So for this argument, we'll be declaring the function now. So you call the keyword function, and then this is the name, input value. Input value, then you know that it's a function, so you need to open the parentheses, then after which you open your code block. So having opened the code block, what are those things that we want to do inside this curly brace now? We want to give value to all what we have here, all our variables here, because we want to define this value in the sense that users are funny. They bound to make some mistakes. Let's say when they are inputting their password or their name or anything, they might include some unnecessary spaces. So now we want to trim those spaces. We want to trim them out. So to do that, what am I doing here? So to do that, we shall be calling constant. Then the first one is username, right? So then we say username value now. So we are just giving it this name. You can use anyone that pleases you, or you can say username trim, whatever that pleases you. So username value now, it's going to be, where is our equal to? Okay, so it's going to be username dot value dot trim. So username dot value dot trim, then it's a function, so you need to include your parentheses. So you do the same thing for all the 4 variables we have up there. Who is this person calling me now? Okay, so having add all this now, it means whatever so this trim now that we added to it, this is what is going to bring out. Let me remove all this node. That's the value. So it's alright. So username dot value dot trim, that is for username value. So after username value, we have email value. So I'm going to be changing this to email value. Then this username is going to be email rather. Email dot value dot trim. So in okay, so now we have given the value we actually want. We are giving the value to our variables now. So the next thing now is to open a conditional statement that will tell the system that if it is wrongly put this way, if nothing is input, show this, if this is that, and show. Okay, let's meet in just a moment.